There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coyote the Gamer here. Tuesdays are for the boys. I just sent them.
Feels right.
What's up guys, welcome back. So we got the Nissan got some new rims. What are they? Okay, well he paid $800 for tires and rims, all at Discount Tire. He got a hood.
Y'all see something? This is hat. Well, life. Don't shut it.
I'm not. And then something's missing here is my car because I busted my oil pan. So again, I'm on a Speedway. I'll tell you guys that in a bit. So I went to the junkyard. That one. And then we're going to the side of the highway to see what's up. Alright, hold up. Let me get my phone. Got all of the tools, the jack, oil pan, blah 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 blah. Let me get a drink. Alright guys, we are here. I want to show you that bump right there. Move your face. It's zoomed in, they can't see. Gosh, my gosh. That bump, you can see where it scraped right bad. That bump is where it scraped. Very, very bad. And there's my car. Sat there for a whole night. There's security that was taking care of it. There she is. All that freaking water. Oh my gosh.
Let's just lean back. So when you're oh yeah,
I have no steering wheel, so I'm driving back with no steering wheel.
Yo.
Strip?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up? So, here we are. We're getting the bolt or the oil pan out. And then we should be getting the oil pan in, and then I'll put this one in, and then we should be good. Alright guys, so I've taken off all the front bolts already. And I'm taking off the ones in the back, and we're almost done. Alright guys, so we got it out. I took all these bolts off. The previous owner didn't put the ones up here, so means he already had a busted oil pan. So here's the hammer at.
You don't care, you already cracked it, so.
I'll be back once I get that bitch off. Alright, hit it, Seth. See that thing come out. You hit it? There it goes. How much RTV's in here, man? Okay. I just dropped the oil pan. It fell, but let's take a look at it. Sorry off the street, but can't do nothing about that.
Crack that.
Huh?
Oh, right here.
Yeah, that's the first crack. And there's another crack I saw
Right there.
right in here. Is it focused?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right here's the main crack all the way across down. You can tell here's a big hit. Here's most of the hit right there. There's a hit right here too. Look at that. But so that's the problem with aluminum crack. So
Yeah.
we got another one right here, buddy. Oh yeah. Hopefully it's not cracked because it was from the junkyard. I sort of cleaned it, but
Alright.
What you doing? What you doing on my car, Seth?
What you mean?
First time Seth's been working on the car for all you guys saying he doesn't work on his car and I do stuff with him. That I do stuff for him. Yeah, I do most of the time. This is the first time, but you know,
It's not my first.
she's doing something. He stripped one, but that's fine.
I didn't. It's the freaking this stuff.
Or TV.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, guys. So. Okay, guys. So.
Oh shit.
Oh, whoa. Okay. Let's let that drain out for a little bit. That was It's actually much easier to access it from the top, just like here and in it. Way easier. All right, we got the STP extended life here. Just put that thing onto the top. I think it's much easier. Oh shoot! Never mind. Oh, right there.
Hey, I'm trying to go swimming. Can I put on my swimsuit?
Can
Can I put on my swimsuit?
That looks like piss.
It smells like piss. No, it's coolant. Oh, hold up.
Go.
Bro, stop recording me pissing.
All right, guys. I'm gonna pour in the oil. Whoa, don't make a mess.
See if it's leaking.
No, it's not. Is it?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Stop. Where? Dang, stop doing that. Like, I'm being serious, man. This is clean. Look at this shit straight into
Get it in the hole.
Oh, no. I'm gonna come on. What am I? We're trying to act cool. Fuck my valve cover.
We're like, get in the hole.
Sorry, just checking on oil because at home we didn't feel like making a mess in our driveway. Huh?
Somebody made a mess up. Why is that so freaking like
Nice.
mesmerizing?
Sexy.
Like me. Sorry for the shaking. I'm trying to like.
It should use one whole quart. Sorry, no, one whole jug.
Alright.
But I brought an extra more
Alright.
one just in case.
We only have 2 minutes on here.
Okay.
This man forgot his steering wheel.
Oh yeah, it did. Grab it. Do not attempt this. Alright guys, made it back home. End the video there. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. And as always guys, peace out.